How's it going, guys? Ken Rathbun here, Director of Product Strategy for our cleaners and protector treatments for Proseco. We're out here today in Topeka, Kansas, applying siloxane WB concentrate to a concrete water tower. We're using this product at a 1:14 dilution. We chose siloxane WB concentrate because you can dilute it to the exact substrate that you're working with. Today we're working with formed concrete. It's a little bit thirsty. We would consider this semi-porous, so that's why we're using a 1:14 dilution rate to achieve a proper water repellent application. So today we're partnered with Lucid Bots. They're bringing us their brand new Shield payload, which allows us to apply our water repellent to this water tower. It's very exciting because it allows us to access this, where if you're doing this manually, you'd be hanging off the side of this tower, there's safety concerns. This bot is allowing us to apply this water repellent in a very even application to get the proper saturation we need in a safe and effective manner. So just like any time you're in Kansas, it's a little bit windy here being Tornado Alley. We had a few challenges today with the wind, but thanks to Lucid's technology, that drone can overcome some of these wind gusts and still allow us to do a great coverage of our water repellent on this project. One of our other partners out here today is Andrew Lefevre with Pros Pressure Washing. He's a drone pilot that's applying our water repellent via drone to this water tower. So this is super exciting times with Proseco. This is our second time ever applying a water repellent via drone, and this is changing the future, the way that we're cleaning and protecting our substrates moving forward.